Yo, word up, we got to flip this. Let them niggas know we in the business. Strong arm and move away. I don't know who is this. It be the rap bashes, night slashes, mic masters, heat blasters. My clique rocks the best. It's street action, stage action. No fraction, the population should put that to test. The K, the G, up in the industry. All my niggas, we feeling the shit. Fuck that, I'm killing the shit, the neurologist. Be psychiatrist, the click-a-rama. Word the mother, bring the drama.
I don't give a fuck you. You got to hear me, you ain't no killer causing chaos, no mayhem.
Yo, Slate.
While my mind ills like Rikers Island jail cells, your brain swells. Know some stories that she or he tells. While my mind dwells in darkness, deep in that she's cursed and he's heartless. I'm in this to win this, demolish, diminish. I mean it, get finished. Your memory's gone, migraine born, I'm going on and on.
The lies patrol my mind, got me wild like this. The lies patrol my mind, got me wild. The lies patrol my mind, got me wild like this. With a crooked eye twitch from all the brews in my system. I clear and represent them daily, that's mandatory. We paid our dues in this. Niggas abusing this, get bruised in this. MCs meet, defeat, then switch. Yo, son, tell me why shit goes down like this. Every day I stalk the streets, got to pack my phone fit. Why do I? Got to prove I get down. Half my peeps, either dead or on lockdown. Domes get bashed, niggas get caught up in the path.
The rap bashes. The rap bashes. It be the rap bashes. The rap bashes. What? Protect yours. Independent. Take your bow, be running shit. Watch your back and get hit with the stunning shit. Drop your gun and shit. Dabble with the knuckle game. Nigga knob, don't give a damn about the fucking fame. The rap bashes are here, representing real live niggas. Bitch niggas just stare. You pussy, getting more dick than Heather Hunter. No wonder, Jabal style make them fall asunder.
How you want it? Jabal served that ass in 3/4. Holocaust get brought, intersection in my fort. The shady nigga, maintain CI state of mind. Ruck it down, scuffed up Timbs and bag dimes. Jet through. In the MP, me, La, Milk D, about to get bombed off LP. True to this, my guns butts guns since day one. On a mission to click, pay their dues for opposition. Death wishing, when shit get thick, the gat spit. God damn, another young brother hit.
Infrared the mortal minds to keep protected while I'm disconnected, intercepting, be connected, disrespecting, neglecting, perfecting many ways, increase slaves to my rhythm. How can you be down? Create a sound to get rid of them. Who's writing, biting, not one dimension. Who said they saw and did shit? Heard and gave info quick. Nimrod, neutral, but if I have to, I'll shoot you. Reduce 2 shells, leave your body laying where you dwell, shape shifting. Feds the brave heart, breads the mortal mind, milk get slow shine, that's what you do, now it's my time. Intention is determined, what defeat you can't delete. Rick, bring the ruckus, what whiz randomly. J-Web spread the way, beast the smooth, locked away. Hellface phantoms, G-Boogie, let's all pave the way. Selfish ones, Dolo, do you dare interfere? Fear.
It be the rap bashes.